Hey guys, Tiger here. I'm gonna show you how to level up fast in Pokemon The Lodge. So we'll first log in. So if your Pokemon is level 5 or 6 or something, just but my Pokemon is level 100. All Pokemon is level 100. See, look. There. So all you need is like a level 5 Pokemon. First, I go to computer battle. Type this big letter S. Then here. Just like this. Choose all you want, like dark, electric, fire, water, fighting, flying, legend. So if I click the all choices, 700. So level 700. But you see the attacks. Look. And if you attack him or her, look. No damage. Because it Koopa used yawn but missed. See? Cool, right? What? Not darks. I'm gonna see. Electric. I'm gonna go to electric. So all levels are 100, but the attacks are this. That is no hack or no cheat. That's a really no cheat. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment below. Peace, and then give this video a thumbs up for my subscribers. So thank you guys. Bye bye.